You get kissed? Oh, good job. Be nice. You gotta be gentle. No, don't pick her up. Yeah. Good job. Be nice. You gotta be gentle. No headbutting. Good job. Good job. Careful. Riley. You get kiss? You get kiss? You kiss your sister? What are you doing? Well, now that's just, look at, see, there's your sister. And there's you, okay. We're still watching Amarie. Hi, baby Amarie. Hello, Sleeping Beauty. Hi. You give her your elefante? No? You don't want to give her your elefante? Oh, she wants your elephant, baby. You give her your elephant? Yeah? Yeah. Here we go. It's okay. You need to share. You are seeing. Okay, we're still watching. You go give her a kiss? Not me. Your sister. You give her a kiss? Go give her a kiss. Go give her a kiss. Say, sister. Sister, I love you. Hi, little Snow White. Oh, Sleeping Beauty. Hello, Sleeping Beauty. Hi. Look at those big eyes. You come give her a kiss? Say, mwah. Mwah. You give your elephant a cut? Oh, yes. Good job. Okay, thank you. Now, she can have something to look at? Yeah? Oh, look at that elephant. You're such a good big brother. Okay. You're not a very good sharer. Well, don't hit her with it. You're supposed to be gentle. Be gentle. Say bye-bye.